Ochalaba okwanjula n'embaga nga kukutuusibwako
City Bridals basangibwa ku California Plaza.
Mukano mulango fe bali kwera ngo chale mu club you number 1 TV station mwe kituuka ku byemikolo gye bayita Delta TV tukole tukyagenda maaso n'okwanjula n'embaga nga program eno y'okwanjula n'embaga ekutuusibwako bannaffe aba City Bridals ayongola okugamba mukwano teyavaawo wali eri ku Kamukamu Plaza kati yadda ku California Plaza lwekyo obeera onoonya City Bridals munoonyeze wali eri ku California Plaza olwo nno osobola okugenda ofune gawuni ey'ekirooto kyo ayina gowns changing dresses made dresses atopangisayo gawuni emu ne bakuweerako girls dresses bwabwereere wali eri ku California Plaza City Bridals wali nnyo mukyala mage nkutumiddeko nnyo naye nga njagala okugamba nti ndi wano eno ku Malakai Ecology ekitende the only place to be onoonya kola reception yambaga retreat parties birthday party graduation party baptism jangu wano emmere weeri music system embeera ya mulembe kwegamba emiti empewo ebeera ekufuwako n'ovaako mu congestion y'e Kampala Malakai Ecology ya mulembe esangibwa kitende negamba nti nonze abanyambaza n'okunsiba enviri tusiba enviri za bulijjo by the way osobola okujja nazo n'osiba bansibya enviri be basharitas abanyambaza be basharitas abakola makeup be basharitas be bakolako bagole era nga fa abayambaza n'omukyalo ono Yvonne Mirembe ezababuuza egomesize byonna fa abakoze kifa babikoze naye ng'abaana batulaze essanyu bannanga abantu beyiganga magogo bamama ne bababa baife bamuna mwebale kutulaga ssanyu bangambye mbagambe nti mwenna mugende muwase mu busoga kubanga abaana bayo basanyu bamanyi okuba akalulu jjajja wa musawo Mirembe nga yakubye endulu mukyala Mukama Florence anti kuge maka ge twabaddemu yabadde musanyufu kubanga ne Eva naye yanyumye nnyo mama naye yabadde musanyufu mama wa Eva akutumiddeko nnyo bali kubeera mukyala mulungi nnyo kati nno leka tukutuuseko omukolo guno nga Yvonne agenda n'omwemwe Ogwal Vicente eyasitudde ab'enganda ze okuva eri mu Northern Uganda lira ggulu bonna n'abaleeta nagamba nze omutima gwange guliyiganga n'abaleeta naye nabo bakonyeemu bamugambye nga wafuna omuntu ati Yvonne nga bulungi bulala yanyumye nnyo n'ebirabo baleese bingi mikolo gwabadde musanyu decoration yabadde bulungi buli kimu kyabadde on point n'embeera y'obudde nayo yabadde nnungi kankutuuseko omukolo guno kwekyalaba okwanjula n'embaga ku Delta TV tukole ne Malakai Ecology wamu ne City Bridals ku California Plaza.
Sivuga watawoyagala bwoba tontizinga ebintu by'ekibuga bibaamu okwekoza kikwano nkubirako simu bambi tombipinga siba kuchaja umeme tumulodinga kila ninapokuona ukipita na rafiki zako natamani tuongee na yesiri kirasi yako nenonye chokola nechimbula
Lata lano yazirambo kwa bulaga idyewo bakabi babutimba yesero buli kuibawa baba leze semere kuoli ngena abo tusobola okugabana obutimba so kompe baluberaga nayo tubyoga bodi omwana yakije twana baba nze ndi naye imuwe Roma ideno oli mugezi munange baba ni ozala bagezigezi
I want to know what's up. Your honey party, man, I don't want if you cooking, I cook out the bed. Anywhere she enter, baby, they must
Papa ndina yetakamira.
Subina kuwo.
Papa they are asking me yetakamira it means in the Bible. You get 1-1, but as you know,
Byoluzungu kambi kulekere mu kusaawa eno. Niwo bosinga erukozesa. Make sure that you sit according to what you have heard and what you support.
That all of us we sit because we support all the chairs.
If you voted Museveni, sit down.
We all in Uganda we sit. Uganda Baba abemere nabatagagira.
Kale mwekwire ku mungalo.
You clap your face.
Leta abana bange abasawo.
We clap for Moses' daughters.
Mweraga abasawo. Aya. Aha. Suka, napata amakofi, obugalo, muli obulamu.
Abana bamuzeyi bali kumeneka.
Subi.
Wajirata.
Unkuwa ina lya Subi.
Baba ne yanziza. They have given him Subi name. You clap for me.
The reason as to why I told them to turn around and face this way.
To make the business.
I wanted you to see the other side of the coin.
Not the business.
Which business again?
Thank you, Mzee. Bana, tukubire ku Mzee mungalo.
Bana bange mulamuse ku bageni abo ate ekyo kitiba soga greet them in English.
Baba deni mido yana tujada asanguza.
You're most welcome, our dear visitors.
Kale musawo.
We are happy to receive you here.
Ne photo sinze.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Ifato bulungi.
Thank you for coming.
Twatuseira.
Muluzungu lukunoona amazola musa. Alusoga
abo temusiramu bwatola salamu tojongerako.
Daddy?
Yes, give us the report of those people that are allowed to come in.
These people were so sick. However, they've given them some first aid.
What are they suffering from?
Unfortunately, they have a disease, Daddy.
Yes.
But I've given them some first aid. Unfortunately, there's someone, he was so ill.
Yes.
He was suffering from Evoniasis.
Evoniasis. Now, according to your interpretation, what is the suitable medication for the sick, ill person?
According to our medication,
understand,
we are going to get him a vaccine called Vicentiasis.
Vicentiasis.
Bwana Vincent, we have him.
Kirapo fingers for the musawo. Tiwa kono luno.
Musawo. Muno mutwatanga siringi. Muno mubamu bwa mpisho. Muno tutamu bwa pamba. Baba bino byabasaga ifere ku Bugema University. Ola ali muno. Ali muno timu bali kwawo.
Eriyo oja bakutega abasawo mbana bayasa. Aya abasawo bene.
Baba.
wangi
bano basabu bene okuleka balabe kinansi
kale the girls mulakuseeku abagenyi abo
tusanyisa okubalaba basebo
Kale nyabo.
tusanyisa okubalaba banyabo eradde basebo eradde banyabo mukulika amakulu
enjadidibeko obuzibu tugenda mbe tukalabeeyi
atuuse leeti anti
iwe gaba
bala abaana ab'engoma semyufu abo
no
kuli ku bakyala b'edimotu eno byaliri n'abandi
it's time for to grow
then mu malenzi bayidire muno omujasi abakuuma
it's time to watch
ani boona beno bayidde akuwa
baba
naide bwakugaba naye agolole
mukulu it's time for you to watch
then they are good time
they are good time
kale bamperaako emba abaana bange baje emiyana
iwe dakwire
tubawe engalo engalo d'abaana bange aye bamameni balina amakina
baba
wangi
nze abantu 10 maze era okwebalamu
omaze
maliriza baba
situka ofuna ali kujja okwerekera wano
yesebo
so bayidde
bana can you get up people are ready
abasigayirewo esaidi eyo balina akolesa emeeza ere bafunemu ekyokwiza. We want to appreciate you for traveling all the way you have come from to join us here. We are so much appreciative. Just before us here, our wazee, the father, I want to request them to greet you, then I tell you what next.
tukale bamuzee
But among fathers, there is a father. That's I think you get me well. Then just behind them is a sample of our mothers. Can I say mama or I'm saying again?
You are most welcome, our visitors.
So can I say Basenga? I'm saying again.
Very happy to see you.
You are all receiving blessings from all corners. Amen. Can I request him to stand a bit? Yes. Baba emali efeneyo aitijako banti mama mali efeneyo mama yaba muko
details ndikuja kusaba muganda wange mulala asituke aye nga akali kusituka abonabona bababa balimu ne batabani baine kyamukisa nti mutabani waime mwene omuntu omukulu maze omubona abasigaire bona batabani baine muzeeyi mwene baba ate nga bonabona bababa is the one. Today I'm requesting one person to elaborate more our clan.
He's the last boy in our family. As you can see, he's a very quiet man and a very jolly man. We love him. That's why we have traveled from afar, come and give him a hand so that when he takes your daughter, be our daughter for life. So I would say your daughter is not going in the wrong hand. She's going in a good home, and we welcome her with both hands. And any problem she's going to face, all of us will join together to help them to grow in their house.
Ni baba we now give him. Now, to the door, give to Vincent. Vincent,
you are going to exchange.
Second of Kaiser. So can we eat?
You are free and eat. You take what?
Then after eating, you pick a glass of water each. Now we take glass in dollar, Vincent in dollar.
You will do the same.
But before you take, you toss. Tossing him, saying
toss it more the guys are going. So we are just nothing.
What is the sign?
Anytime if you need the counselor, boy I'll be your counselor. Boy you te welumya, I know awangula. Bobo yagala okwepena, kauna tuja kuchekola. Omutima gwange togunonya otudene gwawo. Nebombuza anikofira. I want somebody like you. Yekwe kwenfira, just like you. Chogera ndi mugomu, just like you. Chogera ndi mugomu, tewali love jebasubiza nga tetojja kutukiriza. Echejo chenekoza, ilavu chenekoza, ditwali naye tonumya.
Wake up. We take our seats.
Katuma, wait a minute. Ojja kuyika kolinze yetuli odamalanga okyukenga. Digita kwa Kemba.
Can you clap for the word beloved? Ife to say la mama. Aliachaje?
We are all fine.
Mbuyena ali fine, she's there inside the fine.
Oyo mwana mubala kusa.
Gentlemen.
Yesibo.
Niwe mulino oluzungu akola NTV.
Akawungezi.
We are very glad to have you here.
Mulino oluzungu bana. Wakukubye emale.
Wanji?
Oli omwa asooka awe amukubye mu abandi.
Metuka abandi. Mzee yaliko wakabiri olikuibira bigezo.
Ayo nasobola amakina ako iwe. Bakwewansa. Kale bano muweku n'abandi.
Bana bona bana ba mzee.
Bana bange mukwira emwire nga mulumya.
Bana mutankubya mpaire kubale. Abo chefa idi
nti awo tuyinza osulako.
Baba.
Baana bange mulinde mwanje no mwidabo malayo.
Baba tyansemwa. Eriyo nolo mwembi yena wali oyidinga bakasiru bona bemba.
Abe yayimba atya.
Baba.
Mwisho kama dia vista.
Gasa no kabubi oyo.
We happy to see you.
Even us. How are you?
You're fine?
You are fine. I can see.
Good afternoon, ladies.
It's a good afternoon to you. How are you? How is Shimko?
She's okay.
That she's okay. Can you wake up?
Chimala mwana avola musani kako mukono.
Fire dede.
Yoli da gandi bonayo. Bana bange mwesunzo kusanga walaye.
Baba ndowiza nganti ono.
Mukolo kusaze imwe.
Baba ebigambo biraganga kye banakola bagala bange. Mutebaze omulimu abukaire busatu bwo mwebazazi.
Subi. Buwera kweli.
Baba buwera. Okumananga buwera. Muntu mulala bona babutaire ku laptop. Iwo jaba kubere sente dirimu. Lale oja ku
Subi.
Banyi bampa.
Tweda kulwa munyama suku akola atya?
Awole baba.
Otamala bwire oti mudinka akula legging.
Yes sebo.
Kuba legging na amakulu ge bifaanana.
Yes sebo.
Songa kye balese.
Can you clap for the mzee? Enga ndoli kubulira side eno dakusima bibairewo. You are going to do what I am going to do. You follow me.
They are your followers.
Bano bendija nabo. Ono bandija na yega. Mugeye nono. Baba.
Wanji.
Baba mulungi. Tusimye ine bintu bina byona. Erenga lede dowulira dakusima. Lwali nakululala. Ido bwetwabere nga ku birthday. Omwana mulenzi oweri na ibeta vise. Twalirenga keke nga etali kwogera. Pamukati lwaki? Tutiyogera. Yayogere nga kigambo kirala kyokka ati mago. Takati mago niki? Ati takati magogo. Takati kai magogo eriyo ki? Mwana mulenzi imwe tumwesimba lukono bano tiwa imwe. Mwana mulenzi bwe yakobya ati magogo buli omu yasanala ati eriyo ki? Ati mujja kutuuka mu maka amalungi. Amaka ge basenenkereire. Amaka ge bafumbye mu bulungi. Amaka ge batimbye obulungi. Ojja kwagana muzeeyi nga ikalire mu ntebe. Ate nga ye yabona omusana. Baba noguli kwokyerawo. Ati ajja kuleetera ensonga.
Oli kibona bweno oli abowo.
Baba. Imwe ababona omusana nimwe abatyamireyo.
Ejja mu maiso.
Muzeeyi yakatire mutukanga basokanga balamusaku. Olumala okubalamusaku mwasaba muntu mulala. Senga ow'ensonga. Ate twogeranga bino ng'ali mu madinisa atulengeza.
Subi. Oli kwenda ani?
Baba senga ow'ensonga.
Ate okwoti ali mu kyalo ki?
Baba ali ng'ene gano.
Kwoti ali mu idinisa?
Ali abanga eyo gye beeta mu madinisa ng'atulengeza era ng'akwati ndigano.
It is okay do omuleeta.
Baba n'obuwombeefu nze gano baba wakuza abaana kasita
banamuleeta kubwerere
ye yakuba bwa kigambo kirala ati nze ntambula gyakozesa
katumwaida
akolesa ntambula gye beeta TVS tyama vaaku sasulamu omugaigali eno.
Isimaida kwana.
Ochalaba okwanjula n'embaga nga kukutuusibwako
City Bridals wabula temuswaza. City Bridals basangibwa California Plaza.